This is Durban Network and I am your host Sabelo umfowandaba sedakhona la sikhona enkabeni yethu njengamanje nginokwanda we-MKT which is a student movement, right?
It's a movement for learners.
It's a movement for learners.
Yes.
Okay. Why need decide ukuzo supporta le cause ye launch MK Lakho?
So the reason why we came here as MK Team to support this movement, the organization, Uguti, Nati as teenagers, we are in matric currently and sizoqeda isikole sibe unemployed and we need people like this who will fight for us. Usingene emsebenzini because imningi imisebenzi in South Africa. We can't be unemployed. Yes, but sibe part of the statistics of the unemployment. So you want to work with them. Sazi khona nabasivikela emsebenzini mase sisiphakathi. Yes.
I'm sure you're pretty aware with MK Lakho, they are trying by all means to fight illegal immigrants ukuthi athole i-sports semsebenzi, especially the one that are due for South Africans. Manibuka nina ngalesikhathi enizobe seniqede ngaso isikole, imaphi amathuba enizoba nawo mawuthola ukuthi it's still clustered ngalendlela kwezemsebenzi?
Well, I wouldn't comment much on that, but entrepreneurship. So as MK Teams, we have a teenpreneur where we encourage ukuthi ingane zivula amabhizinisi. We can't wait for employment. Phela ngithi abafuna usiqasha thina. Asiyakhe thina ke imisebenzi and stop waiting for ama capitalist. Yes.
Ey'koleni izini mhlampe ingqinamba enihlangabezana nayo enicabanga ukuthi being part of MK Lakho zinga-addresseka?
Othisha are very aware in the education system yethu, which is not beneficial to black people, right? So othisha bethi bayala manje ukuthi befundise ngoba phela they're giving this information to teach us, information engeke yenzele umuntu omnyama lutho as we are unemployed as we are. So MK Lakho ingazi izosiza othisha ukuthi bengayamkeli sivale ikole izishintshe education system. That is all.
Do you think the education system esetshenziswa njengamanje iyanbenefita nini?
Not at all. Not at all. And it will be changed by MK Lakho with collaboration with MK Teams. It definitely will change.
Ake siyibukisise yona education system. Kuney'fundo othola ukuthi muzibukisisa kahle zi-useless, ayikho mhlawumbe into eziyi-eda for somebody ozophuma ayofuna umsebenzi. Kwi-disadvantage kangakanani lo?
As a matric learner myself, it really is a disadvantage because we are not taught ama skills. Siyaphuma nje ka-matric, uphuma ne-theory, into angeke isize ndawo. Sifundiswa nje like how to label frogs. Why singafundiswa ukwakha imoto? Why singafundiswa ukwakha ama-phone and all of that? Yeah.
Ama-apps.
Yes, i-technology siyazi. Basi kahle ukuthi singabe into enkulu kabi. So yeah, we will definitely fight the education system. We will.
Mhlambe sesivala where to for MKT going forward?
So MK Teams ngoba sekukhona inama challenges ayo nayo as we face oppression from other black comrades, but with help MK Lakho I think uzoba lula kakhulu to navigate, but we do have a lot of programs. This December we'll be having a program ye camp where ingane will be taught discipline, ziphume kuma drugs and become work with the society, zifundiswe ukuba ama communists and leaders, real leaders. So MK Lakho izosiza nje kuzo zonke lezi zinto. There's still going to be a lot. There's also a RCL leadership conference where ama RCL ezoyeka lento yokuthi athulisa ingane kuphela esikoleni. Ama RCL should work befundisa ingane izinto eziningi ezikoleni. So kuningi ingaqeda kusasa.
I-corporal punishment yaxoshwa ezikoleni, it was abolished long time ago, but then kunobudlobongela esibonayo ezikoleni by ingane ziya misbehavior, ziyabhulishana and stuff. Yini ocabanga ukuthi ngasiza uku-address ama-issues we-bullying and other stuff ezikoleni?
Okay, so the best thing right now engasiza because kwanami I'm a learner, so I see these things every day. Into engasiza ukuthi ingane yazini azidiscipline abantu abangangazo. Now there's MK Teams, now there's someone ongangabo ngasho no, that is wrong. No, don't get into drugs. Mina ngenanga in drugs and look at where I am. So yeah, I think that would be ukukhuluma nabo nje will be much easier and effective.
Really appreciate your time.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.